Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize exemption certificate tracking and exemption rules, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, access the Exemption Rules dashboard. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section of the dashboard. Locate the Exemption Certificate Tracking option. Click on the Authorization tab within that section. Review the provided guidelines and requirements for authorization. Prepare any necessary documentation required for authorization. Fill out the authorization form with accurate information. Double-check all entries for errors or missing information. Attach any files or documents that may be required. Submit the completed authorization form. Wait for the confirmation email regarding your submission. Check your email inbox for the acknowledgement of receipt. If approved, follow any additional instructions provided in the email. If there are any issues, you may need to revise your submission. Retry the authorization process if needed. Once authorized, return to the dashboard to verify tracking functionalities. Review the tracking settings to ensure they meet your needs. Use the tracking system to manage and monitor exemption certificates effectively. You are now ready to utilize the exemption certificate tracking feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.